What's going down, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a very simple haircut tutorial. Now I say it's very simple because I wanted to make this video as easy to follow as possible, because I get a lot of people in my DMs asking me, yo, can you do a fade or taper on people with Mexican hair or straight Asian hair? And I get why a lot of people ask me that, because when I was starting out, like, straight hair was the hardest thing to learn, and it still is to this day. Like, it's so hard to work with straight hair. But with these steps I give you in this video, I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. So all you need is 2 guidelines, and then stay very militant in a way. I don't know if that made sense. Like, stay strict to the guidelines so you don't like create more dark spots, because with straight hair, dark spots are gonna happen no matter what. So do what you can to minimize the dark spots, and then work those guidelines out, and then put the lineup in, and then see where you can go from there. man, real quick, let me stop the video to share with you guys Easy Blade shaving products. If you guys are familiar with my videos over the past year or so, you guys know that I'm partnered with a very dope shaving product company. They just came out with the beard cream, beard oil. They have shaving gel, shaving creams, aftershave products. They have everything on the market you need to take your game to the next level. EJonesTv.com. I will leave a link down in the description. I also do have a 10% off promo code of your whole purchase. It's EJonesTv. So at your checkout, go to the promo code tab, type in EJonesTv, and you'll get 10% off.